Hello all, welcome to the day 64 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Read the following text carefully and answer the questions that follow. People of a circular village, Dharam Court, want to construct a road nearest to it. The road cannot pass through the village, but the people want the road at a shortest distance from the center of the village. Suppose the road starts from A, which is outside the circular village as shown in the figure, and touch the boundary of the circular village at B such that AB is 20 meter. Also, the distance of the point A from the center of the village is 25 meter. Question 1. If B is the midpoint of AC, then find the distance AC. Since B is the midpoint of AC, AB is equal to BC. That is, BC is also 20 meter. Or you can tell that AC is twice AB. That is twice 20, which is 40 meters. So AC is 40 meters. Question 2. Find the shortest distance of the road from the center of the village. The shortest distance is always the perpendicular from the center to the point B. Let's consider the triangle AOB. Angle OBA is 90 degree. Since radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. Therefore, triangle AOB is right angle triangle. Applying the Pythagoras theorem, OB is equal to AO square minus AB square, which is square root of 25 square minus 20 square, which is root 625 minus 400, which is equal to root 225, that is 15 meters. Question 3. Find the circumference of the village. Circumference is 2 pi r, which is 2 times 3.14 times radius is 15, which is equal to 94.20 meters. The r part of the third question, find the area of the village. Area is pi r square, which is 3.14 times 15 square, which is equal to 706.5 meters square. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.